Today, I am going to tell a story of a major betrayal, not somewhere else, but inside your body, where your immune system acts against you and kills you. Everyone here has experienced strep throat once in their lifetime, or more than that. In most cases, this strep infection can be easily treated with antibiotics. But if you are poor and can't afford an antibiotic, or leave untreated, you can get some serious complication. One such serious complication is rheumatic heart disease, where your heart valves become damaged, lose their activity, cause heart failure and leads to death. Another important complication is the damage to brain, which leads to neurological complications like movement disorders and psychiatric problems like OCD, which we know little. There are more than 700 million people get infected by these strep bacteria worldwide annually. Out of that, 15% of the population can develop this serious complication. The indigenous community in Australia has the highest prevalence of rheumatic heart disease worldwide. Another sad truth is there are no specific diagnostic tests available to detect this serious complication at their early stage. The role of our immune system is to protect us from these bugs. But in this case, our immune system is the betrayer, which triggers these conditions. This strep bacteria has some protein which closely resembles the proteins of our heart and brain. Therefore, the antibodies produced against these bacteria not only kills the bacteria but also affects our own tissues. There are plenty of evidence on what's happening in the heart, but what we don't know is what's happening in the brain. Therefore, what I am doing is I inject the rats with this strep protein and looking at how the antibodies generated against this strep protein cause neurological problems in brain. These studies cannot be done in human as it involves two major vital organs, the brain and the heart. Therefore, one of the main objectives of my study is to develop an animal model which closely resembles the human disease. As everyone knows, any of the infectious disease can be easily prevented with the development of a vaccine. As we are waiting for a vaccine for COVID-19 for a long time, these strep bacteria also doesn't have a vaccine for more than 100 years. Therefore, if we can develop a vaccine without this exact protein which cause this serious complication, we can save more than 700 million people from getting this strep infection. Finally, if we can identify this protein, we can develop a diagnostic tool for the early detection of this serious complication and save millions of lives. Thank you.